Frequent flyers, flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyers back.
What's up? You're checking out the Frequent Flyer. Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support, and if you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. And so it's still Throwback Thursday, y'all. We are on the same vibe, and so I wanted to bring this guy out here again to show you guys what a great flyer it is. I had to set up a switch for the rates, and so it was on low rates on default, and so once I set up a switch for this guy to go into high rates, now it flies normal the way that I expected it to fly. And so I just wanted to show you guys that, and I wasn't going to fly it too long because I wanted to fly this guy, the MJX X800, one of my favorites to fly. So quick night flight for you guys. Throwback Thursday, let's get it. Okay, I swapped the props over to these other props too. Those other props kept falling off, so check it out. Up, and the battery's kind of weak anyhow. Darn it, I was going to show you guys some of the flips, but you guys can see the funnel that it does. Really tight funnels and all, deep pitch. So this thing is an awesome sporty flyer, lights up really nice. So let me bring it down. This battery is dead. I didn't know this battery was going to be that dead. I did fly it around with this battery while I was testing it and trying to figure it out, but I figured I was only going to have this little short flight